Hi everyone, welcome to Chao. Today I've decided to film this outdoor. To be honest, I've been staying at home for the last 10 days and I'm sure most of you are already feeling the challenges of being at home all this time. But I keep myself busy. I'm actually very happy. I've been making this video tutorials for you and I feel like I'm connected to you somehow. And today is a special recipe I saw on the internet, which is getting very popular, whipped coffee or Dalgona coffee. So I thought I'll give it a try. And guess what? I tried it and it's perfect. In fact, I've made my own version. This is the famous whipped coffee. Delicious, very, very strong coffee. And this is my own version of whipped chocolate. So if you're missing your regular iced coffee or milk tea because you are at home quarantined, you can try this at home with whatever you might have. So instant coffee, brown sugar, that is for our whipped coffee or Dalgona coffee. And for the whipped chocolate, I'm using dark chocolate and also brown sugar. And of course, we need our drink, fresh milk. So you can make this hot or cold. So if you want it hot, you must warm your milk. If you want it cold, you just put ice in your milk. Let's get started. So we need one special tool for this. This is our blender, mini blender or our electric milk frother. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Come closer. So 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want, but I prefer to use brown sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of our instant coffee. I'm using Nescafe decaf. I'm sure you have this at home. So not 3-in-1 coffee, but instant coffee. So again, 2 tablespoons of coffee. This is a whole lot of coffee. It will be really, really strong. And then put the same amount, 2 tablespoons of hot water. 1, 2. So this is for 1 serving of our whipped coffee. Okay, so give it a bit of a stir and then start whipping. You can do without the splashes. So the idea is to whip it for at least about 1 to 2 minutes to make it really, really creamy and really frothy. Okay, so you can see that it's already starting to form that creamy texture. 1 to 2 minutes. We're waiting for it to be thick. So here you don't need a whipping cream dispenser. This is something that you can easily do at home. Okay, that's it. So give it a bit of a stir so that the sides will be combined. Okay, some of the videos that I've seen on YouTube, they actually used a hand mixer, but I prefer this. This gives you that really, really smooth texture. I'm just going to show you that this is the one that I've made earlier. So very, very smooth. Okay, and similarly with this one, that's it. That's your really, really smooth whipped coffee. So to make our drinks, let's put a little bit of ice. I'm going to make it cold, so I'm going to put a little bit of ice in here. Very little ice. Now, the taste of this coffee is really, really strong. Let me try. I'm just going to dip my finger into it. Wow, that is absolutely strong. So you might want, if you think this is very strong, but it will be diluted with the milk in your cup. So let's fill this up with milk. So what we're trying to say here is step aside cream cheese. make way for whipped coffee, or what is now called Dalgona coffee. There you go. For the whipped chocolate, it's the same procedure. 2 tablespoons of our dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons of our brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of either fresh milk or hot water. And then you do the same thing. Whip it or use the milk frother and froth it for 2 minutes. There you go. This is your Dalgona coffee. So this is our whipped coffee. Very, very strong, so before you take it, you might want to just stir it in with your milk to dilute the strong coffee. Perfect for your breakfast or when you are at home and relaxing. Wow. Very, very strong coffee. But there you go. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Send me photos of what you've done. One recipe of 222 can be used for 2 cups. So 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water you can use for 2 cups. So simple to make, you can give it a try. So during this period, stay at home, save lives, stay positive, keep the faith, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.